Here's a pre-market breakout retest trade that should work. Stop on this is at 76 quarter. There. Target 84.75. And this one could certainly go higher. Again, it is the pre-markets, so I'm just taking profits, especially on the minis, just right at their targets. Or I can leave it running or turn it back on when trade is over. Oh, I gotta do this 76.25. Got in a tick late. That's why the target is a little smaller than the stop. But these, as you know, these trades have such a high win rate. Even if you're late to the trade, you can still take advantage of the edge. Here's the same trade basically with the micro contracts. I didn't have time to set up a larger position size. I just kind of turned on my computer this morning and saw what was going on and realized I had to take this trade. Not like you ever have to take a trade, but I mean, these are bread and butter trades for myself and my clients. I mean, maybe with this, since it's such a small amount of money, I'll put a slightly larger target on it. And if I get the first target at 84 quarter, I'll move the stop to break even to see if I get a runner, because I mean, I'm making my money more so on the mini. I'm making mini money instead of micro money. Mini money. So always better if you have a larger account. As you can see, this trade is starting to work. And it'll probably just be a quick blast up there. Still another few minutes, 7 minutes until the New York Open when the real volatility comes in. So I will wait for patterns today and find other trades for myself and our subscribers to our managed futures. And if you want us to trade your money like this for you, it's really easy for us to make 4 to 8% a month and never tie it up overnight. And you can take your profits out every month. So just send me a text if you want to start doing that. We have a broker in Chicago that manages all the accounts, so you'll have your money in your own segregated account there. And Canada as well, if you're in Canada. And no matter what your account size is, we're always going to take the same ratio of risk on every trade. I mean, this trade has like less than 0.5% of risk on it. I mean, you can tell us if you want to, if you're more risk prone. Some people are more risk averse. I personally am risk averse. Like in my own account, I don't like to take more than 1% risk on a trade, especially day trading. There's so many trades. And, frankly, there you go. Frankly making, Um, 4% a month on my capital is enough for me. I mean, what I sometimes do if if I see our edge once I've hit my target amount for the month is I'll take really small risks on trades, like a quarter of a percent, and just try to get a runner or just incrementally add to to my goal for the month. So there it is, right? That's what I did with the micro is got the target. I'll just move the stop to like right there. So if it turns around, how high do I think it's going to go? Again, we got a few minutes. I mean, I can take my profits anytime, right? Doesn't really matter at this point. But what normally happens is they go to the opposite end of the range, right? So that's what's probably happening here. It'll just quickly like trade up to where I just said. Personally, I think this managed futures trading is the easiest way for our subscribers and our investors to make money. I mean, yeah, I can look around at a million stocks and look for the patterns that I like, but there's just so many stocks. And, it's rare to get a massive big trend in your favor where, and you bet enough money on the trade that you knew it was going to be either a big trend up or, even shorting the market, a big trend down. I mean, I still trade stocks for myself, as you see in my videos, but I really just prefer the futures trading.